We just got the fan in. We made sure everything was connected, everything was tight. We're gonna do the startup. I am so nervous. I'm just nervous about the crankshaft bolt. That's the only thing I'm nervous about. I know everything else is good, as well as the fuel system, but we'll see exactly how it is. I do want to go ahead and mention right now, thank you so much to Lido for sponsoring the Supercharger build. To have my favorite tuner sponsor me and provide me with the best tune, I cannot thank you so much. If you're watching this, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have a 3-valve engine, by all means, hit up Lido for the best tuning experience of your life. I got 30 extra horsepower just by having Lido's tune, so definitely hit him up. He did mention that the tune may not start the car, and not to worry, so we are going to data log the startup as well. When we data log that, we will send him the revisions, but hopefully it fires up, and we are going to load the tune right now. Dude, I am nervous right now. Oh my gosh. I know everything is perfect. We did everything perfect.
Oh yeah, we took our time with it.
We took our time. The spark plugs are good. Booster pump is good. Crank is good.
You wanna know how well things work when you take your time?
Very well. Yeah, when you take your time and you don't rush things, because we started this last Monday, right? It took us 1 week, but I mean we took off because of missing parts. So, oh no, it's done. Tune has been accrued. Turn key vehicle off. Oh, it's done, dude. All right, this is the first startup. Hold on, I'm gonna let the fuel keep on recording, but I'm gonna let the fuel kick in.
Just hit the throttle a few times.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Alright, stop.
My car's gonna die again until I get a new battery, so yeah. Try it out. Alright, so fire yours up. Alright, let's see. Will she come to life? Alright, we got the Joe's Mustang put up. My battery's been dead. I should have swapped it while I had the time, but we are gonna try
Ladies
firing
and gentlemen,
her up.
can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
whistle. Yo, thank you, baby. Woo! Oh, man. come true. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, she's running. She's boosted. Oh, it's a gas chamber in here. Alright, so as you guys saw previously, I've been having problems with my battery, and Instagram will know. I've been keeping you guys updated. My car actually died like 2 times, I think, and that was because of my positive terminal completely corroding, and we actually, oh nice going. We actually had to cut off the what's this called? The terminal?
Positive lead.
But we actually had to cut off the positive lead completely and lead and get a universal lead to re-splice into that, because it was literally that bad. I wish I would have taken a video for you guys, but that's the reason why it didn't start up initially and why we had to get Joe's S197 to jumpstart my car. So hopefully it's not the alternator, it's not the starter, and it's just my battery, but we will find out that. I'm like 95% sure it's the battery, but yeah, that's what we are gonna do right now. With that, just connect everything and then fire her up, data log, send it to Lito, and see what is good.
Was I indented it to give it a little bit of a groove, and I put enough pressure to cut it through it, and then just peeled it up, and it peeled it up. It's kind of like when you have a perforated piece of paper, like a check, for instance. When you're ripping a check out of a checkbook, you know how it's like very easy to do that, but if you try to rip a piece of paper like that, it always goes angled.
Yeah. So as long as you have that lead, you'll
it's
be good.
Essentially what I did with this.
Yeah, it looks good. So we have it stripped here. Now we are going to basically put in this universal unit that we got from AutoZone, and then after that is good, we'll connect the new battery and see if she runs. Boom! There it is, boys.
So it might be a little bit of a pain to get it on and off, but it'll work.
Alright, so we have this finalized. This is the final product, and basically we use some thread locker on those so they do not move. We have like 4 wires, which I am going to twist around so that it makes contact with that. And that should solve our starting problems, and then we're gonna retape it up with some electrical tape, and then yeah, we'll get to some logging. But I'm so glad that I have a new unit here, and my negative is still pretty good, so we should be good on that. Alright, so we have the battery good. We have, that's really all we did, and just did some fine tunings with the hoses. Now we're gonna data log. Yeah, we have to data log Lito's base tune idle. So when we started it up, it was very, very rich because the fumes coming out of the exhaust were just like, it was a gas chamber, and it was filled with gas, and it's gonna be filled with gas again. So we're gonna data log that. He probably put lots of gas in there to start so that it would actually go. But he said that it may not start up. I'm glad that it did start up. Now that we know it starts up, we are going to data log it and then send him the revisions. He usually responds pretty fast, but it is like 8 o'clock now, and he does have to do the revision, so I'll probably get it tomorrow morning, and I'm just going to take you along for the ride through this full data process. I'm expecting about 10 revisions. My cam tune was like 4 revisions. I am expecting this one to be around 10, and I'm super scared to get into boost, boys. I'm not gonna lie, boost is gonna be so scary, but I trust Lito, and I think everything's gonna be a-okay. Alright, so we are gonna start the data logging now. We have Lito's program and his base tune and his base configuration file. Now all we gotta do is press this little green button here. Now that we have that, we start recording. It is recording, and that's essentially everything. Now all we gotta do is save it. Where is save data log to file?
I like to